Hey guys, how's it going? We're back with another vicrez video, and today we're just gonna show you guys rim that we just got in for a customer. We want to open it up for you guys so you see what it is. So this customer ordered a 2-piece rim, and it is for a 2022 Dodge Durango. The sizes that he got into it are 24 by 11. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what he got. Forged rims are supposed to be lighter material, but because of the size of this one, it is a bit heavier. So this one again, guys, it is a 2-piece rim, as you can tell from the different colors. So the customer, he ordered this, went with the gloss white for the big body area, and then for the center area, they went with just gloss black. And then for the center cap, they went with the black logo, as you see right here, which is actually the first time I've ever seen. I think the last time we got rims, it was the red logo. So this one is pretty nice looking. Again, this is gonna go on to a 2022 Dodge Durango. Being as this big, because I know originally for rims, they're supposed to be 20 by 11s for Durangos. So we think maybe this customer is gonna go wide body and then probably has it lifted, because I've seen Durangos, or the idea about like them lifting Durangos because it's considered like an SUV or like an off-road vehicle, who knows. But yeah, this one is definitely gonna be huge. So I forgot what the part number was for this, so it is gonna be in the video and down below the link. So if you guys wanna go ahead and order your own, if you guys wanna check them out, we also have a wide variety of other forged rims as you guys seen, from the Corvette, the Tesla, the other videos that we've shown with them. If we go from 1-piece, 2-piece, 3-piece, all different designs and everything. And all in different colors like brush gold, silver, red, black. I think we have blue, I can't remember. White. Here I flipped it around so you guys can see. So on the inside, being that this is a 2-piece, you only see the bolts in the back on the inside. So you see right here, they're in silver, but the bolts as well, you guys could get them colored. I don't remember the whole list for the colors, like it's possible. All I know so far is just silver and gloss black. But again, being that's the 2-piece, the bolts are only on the inside. When they're 3 pieces, you'll sometimes see the bolts on the outside as the design. So yeah. Also, if you guys want to check out our 3D changer program, which is where you guys could go on, you get access to it. You guys could choose between different cars from Mustangs, Chargers, Durangos, Camaros, BMWs, and what you guys can choose that we use it for vinyl color, paint color, also rims. So all of our forged rims like this one are actually available on the program. So if you guys want to do like a customization to see how your vehicle would look with the rims, with the color vinyls, or with our custom vinyls as well, you guys should just use the program. The link of it is on the website. And also, if you have vicrez Plus membership, you get full access to the full entire library. So if you guys want, go ahead and check it out. So I think that's about it for this video. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on our social medias on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok. And then don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And we thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys next time.